blown away, and luckily got out my phone in time to take a video. I watched the object gaining on the jet for about 90 seconds when I lost view of them. The witness described feeling both excited and anxious at the sighting. They claimed that the object was very difficult to dismiss as a weather balloon or other aircraft. After the initial sighting, the witness claims they then saw 3 more jets, and 1 helicopter flying in the same direction as the UFO. The witness claims the original sighting was at 7 p.m. on April 21, 2016, in Lincoln, a town in New Hampshire in the United States. And now they want more information. I would like to show the video to an aviation expert, and maybe get an explanation. I'm uploading to MUFON hoping for answers.